Welcome. In front of me is the LEDGER Nano X, and today I will show you how to reset it. So if you want to remove basically everything from it, your passcodes, phrases, and reset all of those, I can reset it. Now, even though we have like control center right here, it doesn't really have anything significant in here. So to access the settings, you need to hold both of those keys. And in here, scroll till you see settings. Then you want to go to security, and from there at the bottom we have reset all, reset privacy key, apps and settings will be erased, pin is required. So let's scroll to the side, use the recovery sheet to restore privacy key. So basically when you reset it, you can use your phrase that it provided you at the beginning of the setup, the 24 different words. If you provide them here, I can restore everything to, well, basically all the currencies and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm gonna scroll further, and as you can see, it shows us reset device. So let's confirm it. We do need to, like it said, confirm the PIN. And there we go. As you can see, it's now reset. It's a really quick process actually. So we can now basically go through the setup of it. That's basically it. Now, additionally, can also restore it from here, as you can see. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.